What's up, guys? Today, it's a sad day. 350Z. Unfortunately, it's time to say goodbye. So I know what you're thinking. Like, hey, you just got this car, you put in a whole lot of work, and you've been doing okay drifting it, right? I mean, at this point, it's only been 3 times. So why are you getting rid of it? Well, I'm working on another car to drift in. So you need to free up some funds to be able to do that. So this one has got to go on the chopping block, and this new owner's here. So that's right. In this video, you're going to see the new owner of the 350. Come say what's up. My boy Josh.
What's going on, guys? Yeah, I'm the new owner here, and it's very exciting. I'm gonna finally be able to go out to some of these events with these guys and shred it. I've been looking for a drift car for a while now. I've had 2 WRXs, and I was trying to trade one to get a drift car that wasn't going too good, so we were able to make something work with this one, which is awesome. That's my other WRX right there. That's my daily driver one. Yeah, this one's mine now. Got some big plans for it and make it mine. It's gonna be awesome. Be pretty excited to go out and, like I said, shred it.
So yeah, you know, like you just heard from my boy Josh, he's been looking for a drift car for a long time, trying to trade one of his WRXs for one, and just it wasn't there as far as what we were finding. So I have this car, and it's everything that he needed for a drift car. And then when I started working on another drift car for myself, I'm like, well, you can just get mine. So this one has been, you know, tried, proven, and it's done really, really good. So I think it's the perfect drift car for him. And it's going to be nice that, you know, my boy Josh can join me and Big D that you've seen. We just LS swapped his 240, took it drifting, and we're currently in the process of getting everything dialed back in with that, because unfortunately we had just completed that car and we took and drifted it right away. So yeah, clutch is smoked in it. We're in the process of fixing it now. But yeah, so we'll have me in the car that I'm doing. We'll have my boy Josh and his 350Z, and Derek and his LS 240. And I can't tell you guys like how pumped I am that we're all finally going to be able to go drifting together. Like it's going to be sweet.
If you guys remember, I do have seat time in this car, and that short time that I did drive it, it's so comfortable. It slides very nice, and I think it's perfect for me to get started off in. I'm excited.
Absolutely. You know, not to brag, but my boy Josh, he's naturally gifted at a lot of things that he does. So I have high, not necessarily expectations, but I know that once he's behind the wheel, I don't think it's going to take him too long to really figure out what's going on. And he's going to start doing some wall rides like you see me do at Five Flags and Pensacola. But
let's go ahead and do a walkthrough of this car that I got. Check out a few things about it. Starting off on the exterior here, we got RX-8 wheels in the front. Just some stock Z wheels in the back. We got some fresh tires to go on the front RX-8 wheels. As of right now, the number on it's 332. Personally, my favorite number is 14, so I'm going to think about switching that to a 014. I like the 3-digit number look.
yeah, I gotta agree with that too. The 3-digit number is where it's at. Just 2 numbers, for me, it doesn't look right. So that's good.
Thinking about doing the square number style. I think that would look pretty sweet.
You gonna leave the Hot Wheels on here? You wanna take it off?
I'll probably take that off.
Yeah.
It's already got a couple of drift stickers up there. We have a 2-day event coming up, and I'll start adding my own stickers to the windshield. Be pretty sweet. But yeah, it's got a crash/tow bar in the front, so it's pretty awesome. I'll go ahead and pop the hood.
Show off the beast. So if you guys remember in the last couple videos that I made, I said I was taking this car to my boy Josh's house. It's my boy Josh. So he actually did the teardown on this engine and replaced the oil gallery gaskets. Because if you know Z's, VQs, all of that, for some stupid reason they use paper gaskets on the inside of the engine. Hold on a second, there's some rednecks passing by. They use paper gaskets deep in the engine, so it's like a multi-hour job, and he knocked it out no problem. I've drifted this thing since then, all 3 times, because I wasn't going to drift this car without no oil pressure, so he took care of that himself.
Yeah, it wasn't a bad job at all. It took a couple days. I just worked on it after I got off from work. But still holding up pretty good. I'm not really going to do any motor work or anything to it. I'm just going to keep it how it is. There's no need whenever it drifts perfectly fine how it is with the suspension setup.
I gotta say, from all the high horsepower cars that we build, like I was kind of skeptical about drifting the Z because I'm like, oh man, it's got low horsepower, all of this and that. But realistically, this car has all the horsepower you need to drift. So if you're new, you're looking into getting into drifting, I would recommend picking up a Z. Make sure those oil gallery gaskets haven't been done. But yeah, they have plenty of power just to drift. Like weld the diff, get you some stuff going on suspension wise, and go at it.
Ride this motor out until it can't anymore.
Yeah. Boom, boom, boom.
We go ahead and move to the inside here. So as you can see, it's pretty much a gutted interior. It's got some NRG racing seats, hydro brake. I've got some extra tie rod ends in the passenger seat if cars ever go out. Thinking maybe in the future put a harness bar in the back.
Yeah.
But this is really all we need. We don't have to go overkill if you don't have to.
Yeah, I mean, this car is set up really nice. I was going to add a harness bar before I started working on a car for myself, because it's just got a regular seat belt. It's got a nice seat in there. The seat's really comfortable, but just being strapped in with a harness bar would made it feel a lot more nice in there. And this car is really just ready to rip, so want to fire it up?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and start it up.
Right up, and that's coming from not this car hasn't been drifting or even started since I got back from Mid-Pond a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, it's been about 2 weeks.
Yeah, so this car's just been sitting here not firing up. Sounds good. He did a really good job whenever he put the motor back together, and it should last him for a while. I mean, he should be able to drift this car, have a whole lot of fun, and not have any major issues for at least a little bit.
Yeah.
And then if this thing pops, we got the choice of put another VQ back in it, or maybe LS swaps, and we put LSs and everything. LS swap the world, baby. Yeah. But for now, this car is ready to rip. And sorry, we're right on the main road. There's all kind of creative people that ride by. We got all the extra set of wheels and tires that I just got for this thing. They're all his, so he's got a lot of seat time available to him. Yeah. And we've got a 2-day event coming up.
Yeah, that's gonna be exciting.
The first of, not necessarily the first, but the first part of October, we have a 2-day event coming up to the same track that you guys have seen me drift on. I don't know if I'm gonna have my car done in time. I'm gonna bust my butt to make sure that that I can be, but there's a few things. This is gonna be coming up in a new video when I make and show you my new car. That's kind of holding me up from just going drifting at the moment. So we got Big D's car that we're fixing at the moment. We have my car that we're trying to get completed, and he's ready to rip. So
yeah, it'll be my first event too. So
yeah,
we a whole new experience.
We went and slid this car around together, but looking back at that video, we weren't drifting. It was just donuts. So once you're out actually on the track, I'm hooked. It's so fun. You want to have some fun right now?
Yeah. Let's go have some fun.
What do you say, guys? Y'all want to have some fun? Let's do it. boy. What'd you think?
That was fun.
It was fun. You ready for some more?
Yeah.
All right, get it. Yeah. Let's get it.
All right.
Yeah, that's my boy. Woo! How'd that feel?
That was nice.
Yeah. Yeah, baby, yeah!
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Woo! Yes!
Okay, that makes sense. All right, I guess we're just gonna park this thing. That was enough fun for today, so guess we'll just park it.
All right. Yeah. Beautiful sunset. Parking that thing like a man. I gotta tell you, I'm really proud of this kid. Love him to death. I'm super, super proud.
New by now. That Subaru.
All right, so what you think, man?
That was fun. That was sweet.
So that was his first time driving the 350 as his own car. So, I mean, this one is officially his, and we're gonna get him out on the track so he can actually do that and link the entire track. As you can see, his first time, and
It already feels natural. It's just comfortable feeling sitting in there, and I love it.
Well, stay tuned for the next video, guys. We got the reveal of what I'm building for myself coming up, the issues that I'm facing with that build, and timeline. We don't have very long, but we also got Big D's video coming up, and he can attest to that. Me and my boy Josh, Big D, we all been in the shop helping him with his 240, and that clutch material, huh?
Yeah. Never seen that before. I'm a technician. I've never seen that before.
It's wild. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, we love you guys. Thanks for the support. Comment, all the stuff. Share with your friends, and stick with us.
Peace out.
Peace.